another day in the Driftland Garage. Fuck! What's the chance? It's another day in the Driftland Garage and another day trying to make my E34 that we ruined over the last few days by cutting it up back into a usable car. So just now I am re-welding the rear quarters in order to try and stop water and smoke, mostly smoke, from getting back into the car. So cut the inner arch here, folded it round, and I'm just going to start welding it all back up nice and solid again. See, I already made a little start here, and I'm going to go all the way around until it's all sealed back up again. And then we have the clearance in order to make the over fenders fit. So that's the plan for today. That's welding on this side all done. Nice and solid again. It's not going anywhere. Just needs tidied up and made to look as pretty as I can. But nice and solid again. So let's go around the other side and do that. Okay, so it's time to get started on this side now. Going to have to slot this inner arch, slot it. I've already put a couple of slots in just to get it out of the way. And I'm going to fold it all up, weld through the gap here, and it'll be golden. I was just putting these spot welds in place and then pushing up with this metal tool, and whoop-a-dong, it's popped right through and is now welded to the car. Oh, oops, need to get that back off. Fanny. There's a very good reason that you should wear gauntlets while you're welding and not gloves that you use for cutting the grass, because a big blob of weld just went right down my glove. Piece went under my glove and another piece went under my watch. So that is definitely going to hurt in the morning. You fanny. It's been a while since I burnt myself with a welder, to be honest. It's not as bad as it looks. I think it's just the top layer of skin. But yeah, fanny again. Right, so I've got gauntlets on now, but I can't actually find my other glove. So what happened was a big hot burny bit of metal fell down inside my glove and I flicked it off. So you'd have thought it'd have been around here somewhere. There's one, there's the one that I didn't flick off. Oh, you are shitting me. What? Fuck! What's the chances of that? Fucking massive workshop, and it has to land in there. Well, that's that glove fucked. Oh. Damn. Finished now doing all the welding on the tubs. That's nice and solid again. Going anywhere, they just need a grinder, but I blew the grinder up yesterday, so we need to wait for a new grinder to come. In other news, I found a gearbox last night. Big thanks to Big Ben. Big Ben, don't know why I called him Big Ben, he's not even that big. Big thanks to Ben, he is going to send the gearbox up, which means we should be able to get that in next week, so yes! Managed to find the right gearbox, I think, I hope. Find out when it arrives. and that's hopefully going to solve most of our issues. So. Hey everyone, another week here at Driftland and some more work getting done on the E34. I got my clean clothes on today as I had a big bunch of meetings, but Stuart has been getting on in my absence, so let's see what he's been up to today.
Well, that guy's toast.
Yeah, so it's entirely too big just for that, but the horrific bit right here.
Yeah, it's over.
It's no good.
Nah, we're not gonna get.
No,
you're not gonna get.
No,
that
no, I'm not letting you drive it like that.
No.
The time we spent cataloging this up, making it look slightly presentable, it still wouldn't be right.
Yeah. I agree.
So this section, Kenny, if you would remove, please. Basically, we're going to insert this panel side to side, which will correct the big divot here, and I reckon it's going to be less time.
Definitely.
Better looking.
I agree. And then for the, obviously I don't have a fuel flap, so we're just going to block that off.
I'll rivet a bit of alloy in, we'll plate it, then take the rivets and the alloy back out.
Right.
So we can make it look nice at the end.
And then just get that door pushed out a little bit as well. Man, that's I'm happy with that.
Sweet.
Happy with that.
The sill also.
Oh yeah.
Had
an accident.
There's so many crashes in this thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, another incident that I had was I decided one day as I was coming around the pond anti-clockwise that it would be a good idea to try and drift up the pit road, and it got a little bit wide, and I went onto the decking and then slid up the decking, and I also smashed my sill in real hard. But Stuart has pulled it all out, and it's much better now.
Bear in mind, this bit here,
Yeah.
I couldn't get my finger in the gap.
Yeah, it was sort of touching the cage. Yeah. We just, you know how we fixed that before? We just got side skirts for it.
Yeah, and
Yeah, it hid them.
and wood screwed them.
It worked though.
It did.
Yeah, it hid the damage. Mint. So there's less dents, there's less car, there's more fiberglass.
And overall less weight because we're replacing it with metal, there's less alloy.
I'm a bit worried about making it less weight because it was already quite light at the back. But
Be fine.
yeah, that'll be fine. So what's your plan? What's next plan then? Get that
Next
back
plan
panel
is
done?
I've already filleted this panel.
Yep.
This is a big reinforcement section in it. That's all been cut back out so it replicates what Mr. Yanks has already done to it.
Yep.
Cut this panel out, overlay that, pinch it together, and then we'll cut down through, which will leave a nice wee half-mil gap, which will weld down, and we'll have a complete rear end. Square rear end.
Straight again?
Yeah, straight.
Yeah.
That's what. It's not been straight since you got it, actually.
Nah.
Yeah.
Well, it was straight-ish when I got it off Yanks, to be fair. It was as straight as it could be for a car that had 3/4 put on it. And we also, the great guys at Garage D.
Yes, Julian and
Julian
Dara's
at
hooked us up.
The guys, they are making us up a set of S14 converted to 5x120 hubs, so I don't have to do any silly homemade drilling
Messed about straight on.
or any nonsense like that.
Although you still need to deal with your discs.
We do still, but I can drill the discs.
Yeah.
I'm not worried about that too much.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's going to work. That's going to solve one of our problems. It is going to be tight because they're not going to be here till the 22nd, and we need them on the 24th.
Yeah.
So it's going to be tight.
Few
But
late nights.
yeah, we can make it.
Kenny, I think we should try tailgate on.
Yeah.
Right. We're back to factory.
Better than before. It never sat that well before because it gets pulled down here and here for the fittings. It used to sit like a burst couch.
Is that a Scottish term, burst couch?
I think so. But yeah, that's better than it was.
So, some more pictures, more video tomorrow when we get this all tidied up. Wee bit of catalog here and there just to make the finishing touches. Over fenders on for hopefully the last time. And see you tomorrow.
It's another day, I've got another few hours to go work on the E34. Last we seen yesterday, Stuart was deciding whether we needed to do the rear panel or not, and he decided that we did, which you've just seen the time lapse off. So let's see how we're getting on today, what today's problems are.
Stuarty!
Hi.
What's today's issues?
Today's issues is door gaps and door alignment.
Oh, door gaps.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see what you've done. So yesterday you got this rear panel on.
Yep.
It's looking sweet now, nice and squared up. Both over fenders on. And this side, it's looking sweet.
So we've got a nice flush here.
Yeah.
A wee tweak with our new door pins we're going to fit.
Yeah.
And we'll get this sitting lovely this way.
It's going to take that up. Okay.
Unfortunately, we have quite a substantial gappage.
Oh yeah, these lines aren't so cool.
Nah, and it looks gash.
Yeah, and that panel gap's not. It looks alright now, but I think once it's painted it's going to be really obvious.
Yeah, we can compare the rest of it.
Yeah.
So, I think what we'll do is, we shall do away with the hinges on this door entirely.
Ah, yeah.
That will allow us to align here.
Yep.
We can also gain a wee bit here and split the gap, because we can create a slight extra gap there to match that one, to match that one.
Yep.
Basically split, we'll get probably 5 or 6 mil too much this side. I'm sure we can gain two.
Just split the difference across the whole car.
But there's next to no give in these doors anymore, and the fact that they're floppy doesn't help, so I think we'll go with nice push button fitment.
Yeah, the back doors don't need to hinge, so they can just be mounted on using bonnet pins basically. So, right, okay, so let's get all the doors hung roughly where we want them, and then see what we can do about these panel gaps.
Yeah.
Good idea. Hi, Rennie.
Hiya.
Oh, Ren, you made me miss that!
Man down!
Bastard!
Just like when we used to employ Amjid, but he's free now.
Yeah, just come and hang out. Hey, Amjid.
Hiya.
Back, just guess who's back? I'm Cal. Just going to hang about.
Callum.
I'm Cal. Nobody wants to be Cal.
Nah, fuck that.
We'll just...
Fucking worse!
Okay, bending the hinges is not going to work. Unfortunately, the hinges sort of affect the 3D space rather than just the sort of single plane that we want to adjust. So I am now on my way to our very good friends at McGill Motorsport. These guys have been around for about 10 years, almost 10 years now. They sell pretty much everything you could need. A lot of stock car stuff, but they have moved recently into more drift related stuff. But they do bonnet pins, the little sort of snap-on bonnet pin things, snap-on, snap-off guys. So I am on my way through there just now, and we are going to get some of them. So we're going to go out and have a quick look around to see what cool stuff McGill's have got. And hi Alan, how are you? You in our video?
Yeah, hello.
Say hello.
Hello, do. What now?
I need the wee snap-offy bonnet pin things. Can the wee button push the button?
The button ones?
Yeah.
Colour?
What's the choices?
Black, red or blue?
Oh, can I have a look?
The whole weekend.
Hiya. What are you doing up there? Standard. Oh. Wow, they're massive. Got smaller ones than that?
No, they're sold out. Mate.
Oh, bollocks.
We had the smaller ones which were like more like panel pins.
Ah, it's doors that I'm wanting to mount.
Aye.
Shit.
So,
Right.
well, do you want me to ask when they're coming back?
Yes, please.
Because they are a stock item there.
Yeah, go see when they're coming back. See what other goodies I can find while I'm in here. Let's have a wee look around.
The man said they're due in 3 weeks.
3 weeks. If you said 3 hours, I'd have been like, great, I'll be back.
No, 3 weeks roughly, that's it.
Right, I need to go on Tinterwebs then. Damn it. So that's not gone well. I've managed to find these massive things, but they're not going to do for the doors. They might do for something else. So, right, let's head back to the garage and let the guys know that that's not gonna work. As you've seen there, my trip to McGill's was a bit of a failure, and I can't get the pins. So I managed to find them on Amazon. Nice cheap China ones, which are better, just as good quality as Demon Tweak, 30 quid each ones.
Time will tell.
I am not spending over £500 on fasteners to hold my doors on. I weld the door on. I don't need that door to open ever, eh? I'd rather weld it on than put 500 quid worth of hardware on it. So, I need to go again today, that's me. I've ran out of time, but Stuart's just getting the rest of these over fenders on, and then tomorrow we're going to tackle the front wings. Shit indeed. So we need to get an OEM wing to get out over the top of that, which is going to be
I tried your Fedora on against you lose 15 mil. Is
yeah, that's what I was hoping.
Yeah. Tomorrow will be interesting.
Yeah, tomorrow is going to be
a pivotal day.
Make or break.
Have you told the viewers the timescale of this epic project?
Yeah, they know it's got to be ready for a week on Sunday.
Yeah, week on Sunday. And what day is this?
This is Thursday.
This
is this
Wednesday.
Thursday? This is Wednesday. Yeah, we've got an extra day!
No.
Indeed, we got an extra day! So it's not so bad. We're going. What you were moaning about? I just gave you an extra day.
No, the extra day was in your head, not mine.
Damn it. Yeah, and we should probably order some paint.
You made that decision?
Not quite.
Paint's next day. Let's leave that till
Right, till the
Monday.
last minute.
Yeah.
The last minute. Right, so yeah, thank you everybody for watching once again. Look at Stuart, he's a fucking what a specimen of a human being. Look at that gut. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Stuart, what should they do?
Click, subscribe, join a patron. Simple.
Simple. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody. We'll see you next time. Hopefully next time this thing is going to be rolling in a sort of state which I can, so that it looks like an actual car.
Maybe a start.
Yeah, the gearbox got picked up today. It's on its way. It should be here tomorrow.
Thanks, Ben.
The door pins should be here tomorrow. So we're tight, but we're not out of time yet.
It's not impossible.
It's definitely tight though.
There'll be a few late nights, but yeah.
Yeah, mostly for you though, so that's alright. Yeah, that, you're the painter. Okay, no point in me standing about in here getting cold while you paint me. Hey, I'm Jeek.
Definitely.
But your propane gas bottle will be getting used.
Ah, that's fine. I'll steal these. Right, see you everybody.